To the head of the graduate school, to the vice president of academics, and to the president of Sacred Heart College, and to every one of you, a pleasant day to everyone. My name is Miguel Yuson Heneblaso. I am an OFW, or an overseas Filipino worker. I'm an English teacher and residing and working here in Bangkok, Thailand. So, as I mentioned, I am teaching English to the high school students here. I am teaching here um, for almost 6 years now. And the school that I am working with is Treamudom Soksa Patanakan School. So my school, Treamudom Soksa Patanakan School, is one of the well-known high school or secondary school here in Thailand. If you're going to talk about my school, there are plenty of students who are diverse with different backgrounds and different cultures. I have Buddhist, I have Christian, I have Muslim students with different kinds of religions and beliefs and culture from their own, from their families, from their culture itself. So I am here and I was tasked to share what is or how do I integrate values integration, or how do I integrate values in my classroom and to my lessons. So I will start with uh, with the value of respect. As I mentioned, I am an OFW here. I'm a Filipino, and of course, working in foreign countries, you need to adjust. You need to know the culture. You need to obey the law. So, with the word respect inside of my classroom and with my lesson, I always engage that, and I always keep in mind that I'm a human being with also a unique behavior or principles in life. So every time that I will ask questions to my students, I always put myself that I need to respect them. I need to respect their opinion, their ideas, and things that might get involved when it comes to like politics or some sort of academic opinions. This is, I always show to my students that everyone should be heard. Everyone should be, I mean, everyone should talk. Everyone should share their opinions. And with that, we need to show respect to everyone. The next integration that I always put in my class, or I always engage with, is the love. When we talk about love, there are a lot of types of it. There are a lot of kinds of it. We have love for our country. We have our love for our parents, for our family, for our friends, and to someone that we love. So I always engage them by asking question like, how do you show your love and respect to your countrymen, to your country, to the law, to the government, to your classmates, to your friends? And this one always shows in like showing the care, the love for everyone in my classroom. And the third one is the honesty. I always tell them that honesty is the best policy. It's probably a cliche to every one of you, but this is how it works. Honesty is loyalty. Honesty is the truth. Telling the truth might hurt someone, but you are being transparent with your feelings and your emotions towards one another. And being honest, like answering the examination or answering the quiz for some questions or some activities. And for now, I mean, like as of now, we are dealing with an online learning, and with the connection or the internet connections that we have, and the gadgets like the laptop and computers and iPods and mobile phones, they have the power to switch off their camera and do whatever they want. So in this particular aspect of consideration of being honest, I always engage them and tell them that even though I cannot see you behind your cameras, I always believe that you are doing the right thing and you are being honest to yourself and you are being honest with me. And this is how I integrate those values in my lesson in the class. Well, when we talk about challenges, of course, those are the things like an on-site and an online learning. This is a big challenge when it comes to every one of us, not only for the teachers, but also for the students. And because of this pandemic, it caused a lot of trouble for the students, and we cannot assure, or I mean, I cannot assure that they really learn from the lessons that we had during online learning. We are very lucky, or the students are very lucky right now, because like the internet or the fast pace of the internet connection, the social medias and other platforms, that they can help them to find an answer, and of course for a help with regards to their concerns. This is a very huge help for everyone. However, I don't skip myself, and I always telling to my class that I'm always here. If you have any questions, I'm very much open. Okay, but you need to respect the time. So if it's already 5 o'clock in the afternoon and you know that the teacher is um, already resting, so this is also showing them how to value time and respect for one another. And this is always a part of my everyday existence or my everyday challenge for my students and for myself also. So that's it. I hope you learned something from me, and I am very much happy to share my experience with you. And thank you so much. I hope everyone is safe as of many things is happening right now. Goodbye, everyone, and thank you so much.